In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple selection dropdowns in Google Sheets. If you want to make your spreadsheet more interactive and easier to use, adding a dropdown that allows multiple selections is a great option. This is especially helpful when you're tracking categories, assigning tags, or letting users choose more than one item from a list, without having to type everything manually. To get started, open your Google Sheet and select the cell, or the range of cells, where you want the drop-down menus to appear. It's important to choose the correct area first, because the drop-down settings will apply to everything you have selected. Once your cells are highlighted, go to the top menu bar and click Insert. Then choose Drop-down. If you prefer, T here is also a shortcut. You can simply click the selected cells and choose Drop-down from the menu. Both methods take you to the same place, so you can use whichever feels faster or more convenient. After that, the Data Validation Rules sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you control how the drop-down works and what options it will include. Take a moment to look through this panel, because most of your drop-down setup happens here. Next, find the Criteria section in the sidebar. Under this area, you'll choose how your drop-down options are created. If you want to type your choices yourself, select Drop-down. This is useful when you already know the exact options you want to offer. If your list of choices already exists somewhere in the spreadsheet, choose Drop-down from a range instead. That option saves time and helps keep your list connected to existing data. As you build your drop-down, you can also assign custom colors to individual options if you want a more visual layout. This can make your sheet easier to scan, especially when different choices represent different categories or priorities. Now, look toward the bottom of the Data Validation sidebar. This is the key part for enabling more than one choice in the same cell. Check the box labeled Allow Multiple Selections. Once this is turned on, users will be able to pick several options from the same dropdown, instead of being limited to just one. When everything looks right, click Done to save your settings. Your selected cells will now have multi-select dropdowns ready to use. That's all it takes to add multiple selection dropdowns in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.